Redmi Note 6 Pro comes with amazing set of cameras, and that we have shown in plenty of our videos before. But Realme announced its new budget smartphone recently, the U1, that comes with same cameras as the Realme 2 Pro. At 11,999, is it a better pick when it comes to cameras? You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's compare the cameras of these two smartphones. The rear camera on the Redmi Note 6 Pro has a 12-megapixel primary sensor accompanied by a 5-megapixel secondary sensor. The pixel size is 1.4 micrometers and it has a wide aperture of f1.9 compared to the Realme U1 that has an f2.2 aperture and a 13-megapixel primary camera with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Now both phones capture good colors and dynamic range, but the details are better captured by Redmi phone. In this photo, both phones appear to do a great job, but when you zoom in for the India Today logo, you will see the Redmi photo has sharper outlines and more accurate color production. Similar is the case in this photo. Objects appear sharper in the Redmi photo. In macro shots, Realme U1 can get closer to the objects, but both phones have sharp autofocus that detect object without the need to touch to refocus. Color production is more dramatic on the Redmi phone and also closer to the accurate ones, making it look more appealing. In comparison to the Redmi photo, the Realme photo looks off balance, has a colder color tone and rather appears slightly washed out. The Redmi photo has captured more accurate hue of the scene and definitely more accurate colors. Being light hungry can have its plus points as well. Realme photos are mostly brighter, and in cases like these, Redmi photo has the object nearly lost in darkness, while it is clearly visible on the Realme photo. Realme U1 also captures better HDR shots. Details are intact and shadow and highlight areas are nicely processed, though the hue of the photo is still bluish, and that kind of makes the Redmi Note 6 Pro photo closer to the accurate scene. But the Redmi phone is not great at capturing better HDR photos, and that we have seen in previous camera comparisons as well. Indoors again, both phones do a good job. Redmi photo is slightly sharper, but it is hard to notice in most situations, especially when light is ample. Both phones handle artificial light well and take good amount of details compared to most phones in this price segment. Though again color is more accurate on Redmi photo and Redmi phone captures slightly better details, and that comes to notice only at extreme zoom. Coming to the portrait mode, Redmi Note 6 Pro definitely does a better job here. Not only the background blur is more realistic, the colors are more realistic and the outlines are sharper, but there is no superficial beautification done on it. Realme photo feels like you got a makeup done from a budget beautician. Selfies taken by both phones are remarkable and show how far budget phones have come with their front cameras. Though colors are more accurate again on the Redmi photo, the Realme photo looks better overall, more vibrant and has nice skin tones. But Redmi Note 6 Pro can also do portrait selfies, which is a nice addition. It works well to take great portrait shots from front camera and cannot really be ignored. In low light too, Realme photo is sharper and cleaner overall. It also better handles the artificial light. Overall, the Realme U1 comes very close to the Redmi Note 6 Pro despite being cheaper. The rear camera quality is mostly better on the Xiaomi phone, but surprisingly, Realme U1 can take better selfies both in good light and low light situations. Which of these two phones is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.